Everyone who owns XRP Ripple is feeling a little shocked right now, but don't worry, now is the time to chill out and have fun. Even though the price has dropped, big things are happening behind the scenes. Crypto market Coinbase is about to do something that has never been done before. It will raise the price of XRP Ripple to an all-time high this month. But is it really possible? In this movie, you'll find every answer. That's crazy. Nota bene. In the constantly changing world of cryptocurrency law, it was brave of Coinbase to go to court and fight the Securities and Exchange Commission in a very important case. At the heart of this court case is a very important question. Should deals in digital currencies be considered investment contracts by the SEC? This question gets to the heart of the Bitcoin industry's problem with clear regulations, which is often summed up by the old Howey test, which comes from a Supreme Court case from 1946. The firm 27-page document from Coinbase makes a strong case, pointing out how unclear it is how the Howey test should be applied to digital currency exchanges. Their main argument is that the way the test is currently interpreted leads to different views among lawmakers, regulators, and the judiciary. This shows how important it is to have a nuanced conversation about the rules that govern digital assets right away. This court showdown began with a major decision made by Judge Catherine Polk Faya, where she said no to Coinbase's request to throw out the SEC's case. Fila's decision depends on how deals on Coinbase are seen as possible investment contracts, which means the SEC has control over them. Coinbase strongly disagrees with this reading, saying that the SEC can only regulate transactions that are based on clear contracts between token issuers and investors. This is not a normal move. Coinbase is trying to file an interlocutory appeal, which is a rare option that courts don't usually support. Still, their legal team is adamant that a positive result could change the way cryptocurrencies are regulated, which is long overdue in the world of digital assets. There are big effects on this court battle, and it might change how the CC regulates cryptocurrency markets. If the appeal is accepted, the Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit will look over the case. The process could be put on hold until 2025. This legal limbo shows how complicated and important the case is as it makes its way through a web of governmental laws and past court decisions. What does it have to do with XRP Ripple though? Allow me to explain. That's crazy. In the middle of this legal mess, the future of XRP Ripple is very much up in the air. Coinbase, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, is being sued by the Securities and Exchange Commission. This makes the future of XRP Ripple and its own legal fight with the CC less clear. There are many rumors that Coinbase might take XRP off its market as a way to weaken the SEC's case. The reason for this action is that Coinbase thinks that taking XRP off of its platform will make it harder for the CC to argue that XRP is an unregistered investment. If this strategy works, it could make it harder for the CC to bring charges against XRP Ripple. A decision like this could have effects beyond Coinbase. Other big cryptocurrency exchanges might follow suit, starting a chain reaction that could send the price of XRP Ripple to all-time lows. Even though the threat is real, Coinbase seems to be making progress in its court case against the SEC. Coinbase's brave court case against the SEC not only shows its independence, but it also gives XRP Ripple some hope. If Coinbase wins, it could set a standard that challenges the SEC's regulatory overreach, making XRP Ripple's case stronger in its own legal battle. The result of Coinbase's legal battle has major effects on the bigger cryptocurrency ecosystem. This is because regulators, exchanges, and digital asset projects are all involved in a complicated dance. Now that the dust has settled, the future of XRP Ripple is still tied to the result of this important court case. This shows how clear regulations can help digital assets grow. Now, as time runs out to a key moment in the history of XRP Ripple, every move is important. Ripple is at a fork in the road between chance and doubt. It needs to make a choice that could change its course. But what really interests people in the crypto world is the courtroom drama that has been going on for 4 years. As the story comes to a dramatic end, Coinbase, a giant in the industry, is doing everything it can to end this court ordeal in a dramatic way. Please be prepared because what is about to happen will not only rock the crypto world to its core, but it will also completely amaze you. At this very moment, everyone in the XRP community is holding their breath. The Securities and Exchange Commission held a meeting behind closed doors on April 11th. The official agenda has not been released yet, but rumors in the crypto community suggest that the long legal fight between Ripple Labs and the CC may be looked at more closely. Insiders like Jack the Rippler have dropped cryptic hints that have sparked a lot of speculation. Their statements have made people talk on XRP boards. At the CC, talks behind closed doors are common. These meetings are only for high-level officials and are kept secret. Discussions are kept secret from the public, whether they happen online or in the hallowed halls of the Commission's Washington offices. The secret meeting in November of last year did not lead to an instant resolution in the Ripple lawsuit, which left investors and fans alike on edge. When there was an earlier attempt to make peace, on March 29th, the court ordered a settlement meeting between Ripple and the SEC. Magistrate Sarah Netburn was in charge, but the result is still hard to find and unclear. Ripple has said it is open to talking about a conditional deal, but the CC is set on wanting the case to go to court. In the SEC Ripple case, the judicial pendulum has gone back and forth, which has put everyone on edge. While important decisions have supported Ripple's position on some issues, federal securities laws were broken when it offered and sold XRP to big clients. The company was found guilty. Now the fight moves on to the remedies phase, where the courts are rife with disagreements over what punishments are fair for these violations. The SEC Solutions brief, which was turned in last month, calls for a big fine that could reach $2 billion, which is a scary thought for Ripple. But as the drama in court plays out, the XRP market shakes with fear. When it comes to trading data, things look bad. Total trade volume is dropping and open interest is also going down, which shows that investors don't want to get involved because of the legal uncertainty. There are tremors of excitement in the market, and the result of this legal battle could make or break XRP's fortunes. Despite the chaos, there are rumors of a well-planned move to set a price that will make loyal traders want to double down while weak hands give up. With 100 million XRP Ripple coins put into circulation by the CEO, there is some speculation that the current economic downturn may actually be a plan to separate the smart from the weak, so that only the smart will be able to survive the rough seas of uncertainty. As the story goes on, Ripple and its many backers have never had more at stake. At this point, XRP's future is still unclear because we are still waiting for a court decision that will either make things clear again or cast a mysterious shadow over its future. And among the rough waves of doubt, a bright light of hope shines, showing XRP Ripple the way forward. Even though the Bitcoin market has been hit by stormy winds, experts are still they kept their eyes firmly on the sky, hoping that XRP's luck would improve soon. Things are ready for a big change, like a phoenix rising from the ashes of a court battle. Come with us as we dig deeper into the predictions and prophecies to find the enticing signs that XRP's price is about to go through the roof. Don't blink because the tide is changing and you'll miss the chance of a lifetime. When things go wrong in the world of cryptocurrencies, experienced expert Mikey Bull stands out as a bright spot, painting a clear picture of an XRP Ripple bullish comeback. Mikey Bull makes a bold prediction that could get investors excited, a shocking midterm rise that will push XRP's price to a possible $3 high point. A big part of this positive outlook is XRP's recent breakout, which saw it break through the tough barrier of its 2-year moving average on the 2-month chart. In an interesting post about X, Mikey Bull stresses how important this technical achievement is and how it has previously led to big price jumps for the cryptocurrency. At the heart of Mikey Bull's research is the important 60-cent level, a price that has been at the center of XRP's ups and downs, being a strong help and a strong resistance at the same time. By learning more about the ins and outs of trend analysis, Mikey Bull finds striking similarities between the current path of XRP and previous bullish cycles. As he talks about how XRP rose to its all-time high of $3.84 for January 2018, following a clear break of the 2-year moving average, historical events come to mind. Patterns like these showed up in early 2021, pointing to a rise to $1.96 6 April of that year. Now that the 2-year moving average has been crossed 3 times, Mikey Bull thinks that a possible 5-time surge is